Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making oven grilled fish using my all-purpose seasoning. It's just amazing. We're going to be using tilapia that has been cleaned, so kindly like my channel, subscribe to it, and give it a thumbs up, and also share the video. Let's get down to it. So you make incisions on the fish. The reason why I'm making incisions is to allow the marinate penetrate, or the seasoning penetrate deep into the fish flesh, so that it will be nice and tasty all through, and not just embedded on top or embedded inside. So you cut or make incisions on both sides of the fish. A lot of people throw with the head of fish, but I do love the head of fish. Actually, it's very nice when you have it with soaked cassava grits. Now you pat it dry to remove excess moisture using a kitchen towel, just like that. Once removed, add your all-purpose seasoning. I have a video I shared on how I made this all-purpose seasoning, and coat the fish evenly on both sides, just like that, even the inside as well. Make sure you put it into the incisions and beside it. So now it's time to add our dry blend. Here I have a combination of yaji, pepper, and a bit of fish seasoning. The brand I used is Kitchen Glory fish seasoning, so it actually has a bit of salt inside, so I didn't really add that much salt, so I just added a little salt and just mixed it. So you tap it like that so it sticks, and now you add a bit of oil to it, just like that. If you have an oil spray, that's fine. If you don't, you can use a teaspoon like I'm doing right now to apply a bit of oil to the fish, just like that. And then you do it on both sides. You tap it down just like that, and you repeat the process on the other side. So you flip it and just do that. So you have to ensure every side of the fish, the incisions, the cut is coated, even the middle, just like I'm doing now. I'm adding the extra seasoning and spices to the middle, ensuring that it is fully coated and no part is left unturned, basically. So this fish head you're saying is from me. I love head, I don't know what to say, it's just amazing. I like tilapia. Among every fish at size red snapper, I think tilapia happens to be one of my favorite fishes. Yeah, it's tasty. Whatever you use it to cook, it's just fantastic. Basically, from stew to grills, it's just fantastic. So you add a bit of oil on the other side as well. So basically you're just repeating the process on all sides of the fish. That's all. So I love onions in my fish or in my grills, so I went ahead and grated half a bulb of onion. Normally you would have added this at the point where you're adding the all-purpose seasoning, well, because it was still there and I was still contemplating, so I added it last like I'm doing now. I just coated both sides again, and then because I grated with my hand, aside blending, as opposed to blending, I still have a piece of some slices of the onion, so I put in the middle where you have the incisions, just for the fun of it, nothing else, and it'll be great, really. It's just fantastic, basically, just like that. Then I went ahead to seal off the edges like this, so that when it grills, the whole juices will still be intact and will not mess up the whole oven. And then I grilled in a preheated oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, until the top was crispy, and it is ready, guys. Can you see that? Your whole kitchen or house should be smelling of so much goodness. You can serve it with grills, yam, chips, anything. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I had mine with cassava grits. Mwah!